Hi, I'm Jason Christian. I'm the product manager for keyboards, mice, and mouse mats at Corsair. Very excited to show you guys the next evolution in mechanical keyboards. Most people are familiar with our K70 mechanical gaming keyboard. And one of the questions we got, we've always used the Cherry MX switches, is when can we get a Cherry MX switch that's RGB compatible? Well, that day is now. This is going to be the world's first Cherry MX RGB gaming keyboard. With our friends at Cherry, they were very nice to be able to provide us with these switches so we can do per key color illumination. Every key on the keyboard can be set to 16.8 million colors. Every key on the keyboard can be set to independently pulse and also independent brightness settings. So it's just a great feat. A first of its kind, and Corsair does have the exclusive for these switches until through 2014. There's a lot going on underneath the hood of this keyboard. We're using a brand new processor that's going to be 3 to 4 times faster than what's on the K70, and we're also using an advanced display controller because obviously, as you just saw, it's very complex of the implementation we're going to be doing. So we're we've taken essentially a commercial grade display controller and put it in a consumer product. So definitely a lot of engineering. And finally, we're going to have all new software going along with this keyboard. So we've designed new software from the ground up. We've made it very intuitive, and also allowed for Lua scripting in there. So if people aren't satisfied with our standard package of deliverables and features, which is going to be very extensive, they're going to be able to do their own scripting, and also it's a totally open architecture, so people can essentially design software or any lighting patterns or any game functionality to whatever they want. So it's Cherry MX RGB dressed in a very nice Corsair K70 keyboard. So it's a first of its kind.
Thank you very much.